Hello everyone, today we are going to make a simple health counter or lives counter for our games similar to this one. As you can see, we have 5 health. If we decrease our health, whenever it goes to 0, we have a debug called player has died, and we can also increase our health. If our health reached to max, we are showing like player has max health. Okay, so let's get to it. So this is our starting scene. First, our aim is to make a UI for our healths, right? So go to UI, take a canvas and call it lives. Go to UI scale mode to scale its screen size. Give X to 1080 and Y to 1920. Then take an image. Let's call it lives container. Give width like 400 and height to 100. Yeah, 100. Keep it 100. Now anchor it to corner of the screen. Give Y offset like -50 and X offset like 50. Yeah. Take another image. This will be our health container. And change the color so we can see it. Let's give a color like, yeah. Now take another image. Let's call it background. Stretch it. Give it color like something similar to gray. Now we are going to assign our heart image on the source image. Okay, so go to lives counter or your project folder, then assign hearts here. So I will add the downloadable link for these UI sprites so you can follow through the tutorial. Now change the background aspect ratio to true and image health container change alpha to 0 because we don't need it anymore. Now duplicate the background. Let's call it foreground and change the color something similar to red. Now make a prefab out of it. On your lives container, go to add component and type horizontal layout group. Change the child alignment to middle center and control child size to width and height. Now duplicate the health 5 times. As you can see, it's automatically aligned all the UI health. Okay, now go to lives container and change the alpha to 0. Public void increase health and one public void decrease health. Now we have to take reference for our health prefabs, right? Let's create another script called health and open your prefab. Go to add component, add health script, open your health script, remove the default methods, take public image UI, then go to, let's call it to foreground. Go to your health UI manager and create a list called public list health. All healths, go to new list. Now go to your health UI manager, add health UI manager script, assign all 5 images on the list. Make sure they are in this format, like 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now let's work on the decrease health first. So we are going to call a for loop here. Our I should be all health dot count -1, and I should be greater than or equal to 0. Also, you're going to decrease our I. If all health I dot foreground, okay, let's create a variable on your health. Let's call it is active. Go to UI manager and check if our health is active. We are going to disable our health, right? So all health I this health is giving us red, that because we didn't declare it yet. Go to public void to disable health. It's giving us an error. Let's see why. Oh, we didn't give our fast brackets. Now if we are disabling the health, we're going to is active to false, and foreground dot game object, so set active to false. Take one more variable on health UI manager so that we can see our health counter. Let's call it health counter. If we are decreasing our health, so we're going to minus, and we are going to break out of our loop. Now decrease health is done, and for increase health, similar, take a for loop. This for loop goes from 0 to all health dot count, and we're going to check like if all health I is active is not active. Yeah, this is not colon. Okay, now we are going to call like, let's copy it from here, and active health, because we are going to increase our health. Public void active health is active true, and foreground dot game object dot set active sure. Now yeah, this system should work, but we are not using health counter yet, so we are going to increase our health counter and break out of a loop. Also, let's create if all, now our health counter, if health counter greater than or equal to our all health dot count, we are going to print debug dot log player has max health. Let's copy and paste on decrease health. If our health counter goes less than 0 or equal to 0, that means player has died. Okay, now we have to test if the system works or not. So for that, let's create two buttons. Let's call it increase. Also give width like 300 and height to like 100. Also make your text a little bit bigger. Increase. Duplicate increase button and name it decrease. Give increase button on X like 200 and decrease to minus 200. Now go to your increase button, go to on click, drag and drop the health UI, go to health UI manager, then increase health. On decrease, similar, assign decrease health. Now go to your image health prefab. Initially our health is active, right? Also you need to assign our foreground here. Now if we play this right now, as you can see, we are decreasing our health, we are increasing our health, so our system is working. So if health goes to 0, his player had died, so we have to increase our health. It's not showing our health is increased, that's because also our health counter is not increasing. That because we need to assign our start to like health counter. Let's get a for each loop. Go to all healths, the health. If health is active, we're going to increase our health counter. Now if we play it, our health counter should be 5. Yep. Now decrease health, 0, died. Increasing our health. Yeah, so this is our simple health counter system for your game. This is for today, guys. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching.